Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 8 top VPN services. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, NordVPN. NordVPN gives top-class features for an affordable price. It provides the highest security by using double encryption of your data. It uses 2048-bit encryption to give high security. NordVPN also uses OpenVPN, IPsec, PPTP, and L2TP protocols. It uses the kill switch to turn off the internet when the VPN drops. NordVPN introduced a new security feature, CyberSec, which can block malicious and harmful websites. It follows a strict no-log policy, which means it will not store user browsing history. So, US persons can use it to stop monitoring their ISP. Features of NordVPN: safe to use, simple and intuitive, double data encryption, strict no-logs policy, ultra-fast connection along with security. One account supports 6 devices simultaneously. Non-stop protection of your data. Pricing. NordVPN provides its services in 3 versions, such as Standard, Plus, and Complete. All 3 plans can be billed in monthly, yearly, and 2-year plans. These are the prices of monthly plan. Here are the prices of yearly plan. Here are the prices of 2-year plan. Number 2, AtlasVPN. AtlasVPN is one of the best and fastest VPN services at an affordable cost. It allows you to explore the web with more freedom and security. This provides its services also for free but with few limitations. So, to overcome those limitations and to enjoy the VPN services with the utmost features, you have to upgrade by choosing a plan. It provides almost all the servers across the world and makes you connect to any server in a short time. One more thing that makes you use AtlasVPN is its security system. It provides the best and most advanced techniques to make you anonymous. It is compatible with Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. It also supports 4K streaming at the highest possible bitrates. Features of AtlasVPN: 4K streaming, unlimited devices, fast speed, P2P support, servers across the globe, safe browsing mode, AES 256 encryption, 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 support. Pricing. AtlasVPN is available in 3 different plans. These are the prices of all 3 plans. Number 3, CyberGhostVPN. CyberGhost is a popular VPN service with user-friendly interface. It follows a strict no-logging policy. It has over 2,600 servers across 60 countries. CyberGhostVPN provides the strongest encryption that you need. Features of CyberGhostVPN: absolutely no logs, strongest encryption, torrent anonymously, will unblock streaming services. It can hide your IP with just one single click. Pricing. CyberGhostVPN is available in 3 plans, such as month, 6 months, and 2 years. These are the prices of 3 plans. Number 4, ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is one of the top-rated VPN services in the world. It gives world-class features with industry-best speed along with the best protection. Top websites like BestVPN have given top rating to ExpressVPN. It supports every security protocol that was supported by NordVPN. They have browser extensions for Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. It also supports no-lag policy, so US persons can use it. Features of ExpressVPN: IP address masking, Access content from anywhere. Best-in-class encryption. No activity or connection logs. Network lock kill switch. Private DNS. Trusted server technology. Unlimited bandwidth. Use 5 devices simultaneously. Pricing. ExpressVPN provides its services in 3 plans, such as monthly, 6 months, and 12 months plans. These are the prices of all 3 plans. Number 5, VyprVPN. VyprVPN claims that it is one of the fastest VPN services in the world. It has 700+ servers locations and 2,000,000+ IPs. VyprVPN does not outsource its infrastructure to others. It uses 256-bit encryption to give the highest possible security. They provide the 24th of July 365 tech support. Features of VyprVPN. Audited no-log VPN. Public Wi-Fi protection. 5 simultaneous connection. 70+ worldwide server locations. Access to restricted content. IP address protection. High-end encryption. Pricing. VyprVPN provides its services in 2 plans. These are the prices of both the plans. Number 6, Private Internet Access. Private Internet Access is one of the best VPN service providers in the world. It is very easy to use. They come with unlimited bandwidth. It provides gigabit VPN port speed. They have worldwide coverage with more than 3,292 servers in 46 countries. Features of Private Internet Access. Safe to stream. Unlimited bandwidth for streaming. Stream on multiple devices. 30-day money-back guarantee. Pricing. Private Internet Access provides its services in 3 plans. Here are the prices of 3 plans. Number 7, IpVanishVPN. IpVanish is a Tier 1 VPN service and it manages its entire network. It has 1,500+ servers in 75+ countries. They use IKEv2 and OpenVPN protocols to provide the highest possible security. You can use this in Fire TV also. Features of IpVanishVPN. More than 1,500 servers in 75+ countries. Unlimited simultaneous connections. Stop ISPs from interfering with your connection. Prevent snooping and spying while on public Wi-Fi. You can use your VPN location to change your country of origin and keep those bills low. Pricing. Here are the prices of IpVanishVPN. Number 8, PureVPN. PureVPN is another excellent VPN service in the world. It has a good number of servers and IPs. It gives high security by using L2TP, PPTP, OpenVPN, and SSTP protocols. The only bad thing is, it supports only 5 devices. Features of PureVPN. Unlimited bandwidth in all planes. Split tunneling. Internet kill switch. Ultra-fast speed. Secured Wi-Fi. 2,000+ servers. Pricing. PureVPN provides its services in 3 versions, such as Standard, Plus, and Max. And payment can be done in a monthly, yearly, and 2-year billing. Here are the prices of monthly plan. These are the prices of yearly plan. And these are the prices of 2-year plan. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.